This video is going to address the indicator and the EA, whether you are using the demand supply indicator that comes alongside with sound alert, or you are using the fredy EA that actually shows you supply and demand, where you can actually exercise and take trade by yourself. Now, I need you to understand that everything that I will see in this video needs to be taken seriously. You can't just assume your own method and expect my results. If you really want my results, you will want to follow my instruction. Having said that, let's get into it. Now, I've loaded the indicator on my chart. I'm going to remove it from the chart. Then we are going to have it as a plain chart. Then from there we can start. So what I will do is just to come here, since I saved my color template on the chart as color. So it will remove any indicator on it so that you can understand. I can right click again and come here. You see the indicator list, nothing is showing. The object list, nothing. The expert list, nothing. Shows that there's no indicator, no anything. This is just the common color template. Having said that, so let's come to the indicator. Now, I'm using the indicator, not the EA. Not because the EA does not have the indicator, but because the indicator is the cheapest, is $50. Why the EA is $100? Of course, the price of the EA is still very reasonable, cheap. The EA has been updated. I've gone through 2 different updates, and the current update that we have is that the EA does not just take trade when the market gets to the zones. It actually waits for candlestick confirmation before it takes trade, making it more accurate than what we had before. We have had wonderful results before, and the new update shows a better performance. Here I have a $200 account in 2 months, turning it to 1,997, I guess, which I can still run again so that you can actually see, which I will do in a subsequent video. But this video is just to address how to use the indicator or the not really to market the EA. All right, so let's come to it. This is the demand supply. So I'm going to attach it to the chart. You can just double click it if you come to the chart, or you can just drag to the chart. Anyone. Either you right click and you see attach, or you double click, or you actually drag to the chart. Any one of the 3 you can do. You can see it's my name. You can see my name. This is my address, my Telegram address. If you click on this, it directs you directly to me, letting you know that I'm not trying to sell something else, somebody else's properties in my own name. It's mine. Okay. So now, in this place, you have what you want to, the areas, the levels, the high level, the mid level, and the low levels. All of them have their color. When you enable them here, so it will show. If you disable them, it will not show. Now, this is the alert for people who are saying that maybe the sound alert may be disturbing them. They just need to know it to alert them, but not to sound. Maybe you're on the chat, you just want to see it. So you can off the sound alert, but not offing the alert itself. So the sound of the market has gotten to this level will not sound. However, you will still not miss opportunity. If that is your own concern, you can actually do that. Okay, any one of it you can do. So we have done this. So you come here. The visualization is very important. We want to be sure that it shows in all data window, and we also want to ensure that it shows in all time frame. If you select a particular time frame for it to show, that time frame is what it will show on. Other time frame that you don't select will not show. But by default, that has actually been taken care of. So we click on OK. So if I just click on OK naturally, you can see I did not edit anything, I did not change anything. If I click on OK normally, it will have displayed like this. Now, on 15 minutes, I can see what is happening in the market. But I need you to understand something. This is marking the market when you get to a demand zone or a supply zone. You yourself as a trader have to understand the basic information about trading. If the market gets to a zone, you want to see that the market make it. You test that zone after the market has pulled away from that zone before you take the trade. For instance, what is all my story about? If you come back here, so let me just remove this and drag it back a little bit. If you look at this place, you can see that this market, I'm coming. Okay. If you look at this market here now, you can see that the market make its way all the way up, then the market pull back, then the market return back, even though it does not touch the level. This is another level that the market eventually confirm for you. That's by you turn it back like this, you will understand what I'm saying by me just switching and switching back. You get it now. You see that this is the high, this is the high that the market actually got to that zone. Now, this market has gotten here before, came down, retested that area. Look at it also here. Came down, went up, retested that region. Very important to note this pattern in markets, not just about step index 500, in every instrument. This is why I said the new update of the EA has taken care of these aspects. It does not just take the trade immediately the market gets to that zone. It waits for the market to pull in and retest the zone before it takes the trade, making it more accurate. The same way you have to trade if you are using indicators yourself, you have to act based on this information. This information is very important, very crucial in your trading. Make sure that you don't just jump into trade when market gets to that zone. Wait for market to make a direction that you want to trade. If I want to buy, let me see market moving upward and the market returning back to that zone, then I take my trade. Because the market will always return back to the zone, give you opportunity to enter it. Then the market will go up. Anytime you like, don't say because I do it on 15 minutes. This 1 hour. The market make its way up, came down, it tested the zone back. Or you can see the market make its way down, which I don't believe the market has moved away from the zone. And you can't call this one a test. Of course, you can, based on just because you want to have excuse. But in a larger way of seeing market, you know that this is a real pull out from the zone and then we test to the zone. Now, will you miss some opportunity? Of course. You cannot make all the trades. You must admit that reality. You want to take the best possible trade, not just that you want to take all the trades. So the best possible trade, just like we have it here, we testing back. You can see this pattern repeat itself, whether 15 minutes or 1 hour. I put it on 15 minutes before. I show you at the buy level. I show you at the sell level. Now on 1 hour, I'm showing the same thing. If you put it on any other instrument, that's also what you will notice. Now, having understood this, you now want to take trade when the market retested that zone back. Then you take your sell, then you take your buy. Then you expect the market to go all the way down. Now, I'm on 1 hour. I'm expecting the market to go all the way to this line. And the market is going to get there. It's most likely going to get there. Now, you say, what if the market does not get there in some few trades that you lose? Let's say I waited for the test and I took this trade and I sell. Probably my stop loss will be here. Probably I will be losing $20 if the trade goes against me. Or probably I will be losing $30. Let's even use $30 as an example. But what will I be making if the trade plays out? From here, 70 to 65. I'm making $500. Now, think about it. That is about 1 to 18 or 1 to 17 weeks to the watch. That means if I lose $30 and I made $500, or even I lose $35, I made $500, and I took 5 trades and I lose 3, I'll be losing less than $100 in that day. And it's true that I won, I'll be winning $1,000, leaving me with over $900 in profits. Did you see that I'm not necessarily saying that these are holy grail, that you will never have any loss. I'm only saying it shows you a higher potential to lower risk, which is exactly what you need to scale up and make the best in the forex market. And it will show you the levels. This is about level. If market break a level and move to the next level, you know it will mark the next level when market get there. So it is something that, even though it does not actually repeat, but it always mark the real levels and letting you know when market gets to those levels. And additionally, it has a sound alert. That means you don't have to watch the chart 24/7. You just have to actually put on your laptop and maybe not be far away from your laptop, then be doing other things that you want to do. Then when market gets to the demand, it sound an alert. It gets to the supply, it sound an alert. It gets to the mid level, it sound an alert, letting you just know. Now, all the alert as it sounds, it gives you awareness to make a decision, to come to the chart and come and look for wait for your entry and make your trade and accurate trade. Like I've said, this one is straightforward and very simple and easy to use. It's not complicated. Don't complicate it for yourself. Just know it's simple and apply to simplicity to make the best of the market. Now, in this video, I've made something abundantly clear. Don't just over leverage with one singular trade. Know that a singular trade, over leveraging with one singular trade can be your undoing. So because of that, just leverage right through proper risk assessment before you execute any trade. Having said that, I love you guys. I'll see you again in my next video. In the next video, I will be addressing the updates, showing you how the update has actually functioned in the 2 months that has performed a wonder for the fredy. If you have not purchased the fredy before the price really gets you the normal $200, I think it's a good deal for you now to get the fredy at just a $100 price. You can put it on an account of $200, and in months without any restriction. You have full access to it. You can use your multiple accounts for yourself, and you know what it can do. Turning your account from $200 to $2,000 in 3 months is wonderful. Nothing else can provide that result for you. And it has every function that any VA can actually have. I'll say that. I'll see you in my next video.